If you're still using createreactapp in 2025, I've got some important news for you. CRA is officially deprecated, and it's time to make the switch to Vite. In the next few minutes, I'll explain why this matters and show you exactly how to migrate your React projects. So why did the React team deprecate createreactapp? Well, in February 2025, they officially ended support, and there are several critical reasons why. First, CRA relies on outdated Webpack configurations that cause painfully slow build times. If you've ever waited minutes for your dev server to start, you know exactly what I mean. Second, there are serious security vulnerabilities. Since CRA is no longer maintained, those legacy dependencies aren't getting security patches anymore. And third, customizing CRA requires ejecting, which exposes these massive configuration files that become impossible to manage. Plus, it just doesn't support modern React features and syntax properly anymore. Now let's talk about why Vite is the better choice. The performance difference is incredible. Vite starts your dev server in literally milliseconds, not minutes. When you save a file, hot module replacement happens instantly, updating only what changed without losing your application state. On the developer experience side, Vite serves your code as native ES modules during development, which means no complex bundling. The configuration is super straightforward, just a simple Vite config.js file that's actually readable, and when you're ready for production, Rollup handles the bundling with advanced optimization, giving you tiny bundle sizes. Plus, Vite has an active ecosystem with regular updates and tons of React-specific plugins. Alright, let's get you switched over. Here's the step-by-step process. First, if you have createreactapp installed globally, remove it by running npm uninstall createreactapp. This prevents accidentally using the deprecated tool. Next, create your new Vite project with npm create Vite at latest my reactapp template React. You can use reactjs for TypeScript support right out of the box. Then navigate into your project folder and run npm install to get all the dependencies set up. Start your dev server with npm run dev, and boom, your app is running in under a second. When you're ready to deploy, just run npm run build, and Vite generates optimized, minified assets in the dist folder. Quick tip: if you're migrating an existing CRA project, copy your cr/cc folder into the new Vite project, update any Webpack-specific imports, and change your index (huml to reference cr/cc main gsx instead of the build folder). That's it. You've just upgraded to a faster, more secure, and more modern development experience. Your builds are faster, your code is safer, and your developer experience is so much better. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments what your build times look like now compared to CRA. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more web development tips. Thanks for watching.